Today I am going to discuss about ethics of Mahatma Gandhi from the professional ethics subject. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So let's start with the important points of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a great philosopher for ethical values. Though he born in Hindu family, was highly influenced by other religions as well. He believed that religion is not rigid, but which leads to the moral government of universe. So very simple, Mahatma Gandhi born in Hindu family, but was highly influenced by other religions as well. He believed that religion is not rigid, but which leads to the moral government of universe. Here we will discuss some ethics suggested by them. First, non-violence, that is known as ahimsa. Next, truth, that is known as satya. Next, non-stealing, non-possessiveness, character, life moral teachings, and at last, concept of seven sins. So these are the very important ethics by Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see one by one briefly. So first one, non-violence. Violence is hurting, killing and damaging physical and psychological sense. So non-violence develops vegetarianism and respect for all life. Non-violence prevents wars, murders, exploitations, inequalities and injustice in the world. So from that you can understand the importance of non-violence. Now next, truth, satya. Mahatma Gandhi is a messenger of God for truth. Gandhiji believed that truth is not only in speech but also in thought and in action. Gandhiji once said, "There is no God higher than truth." So really it is very important statement. There is no God higher than truth. Next, non-stealing. It is not enough not to take another's property without his permission. That is not enough to say non-stealing. But one becomes guilty of theft even by using differently anything which one has received in trust for use in particular way. Next, non-possessiveness. One must not possess anything which one does not really need. It is the principle to possess unnecessary foodstuffs, clothing or furniture. So very simple, non-possessiveness, that means one must not possess anything which are not required. For instance, one must not keep a chair if one can do without it. In observing this principle, one is led to a progressive simplification of one's own life. Next, character. Mahatma Gandhi expresses that character is moral and ethical strength. Character comes from within. Character is the key to success. A man of character will make himself worthy of any position he is given. So character, not brains, will count at the crucial moment. Character is any day more eloquent than speech. That means more important than speech. Now next, life moral teachings. True disarmament cannot come unless the nations of the world cease to exploit one another. Morality is finding out the true path and fearlessly following it. So if the world cease to exploit one another, then it is called as true disarmament. Next, concept of seven sins. Gandhiji said that wealth without work, pleasure without conscience, knowledge without character, commerce without morality, science without humanity, religion without sacrifice, and politics without principle are deadly and need to control from them. If you want to see more videos, then subscribe my YouTube channel and go to playlist. Thanks my dear friends for watching this video.